All right, so the install is complete for the vertical links on Pony's 19. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry.
That's going in.
Okay, so.
I'll go with that.
Okay. Okay. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I won't be doing any Nova content. I will be assisting Pony 1992 on installing some vertical links. These here are from L&M Products. He did some research on them and they seem to be really good. So we're gonna try them out. All right, so here is the stamped steel vertical link that I removed from in here. We're replacing these with the aluminum vertical links because it's a lot more stronger, actually.
Doesn't flex.
And it doesn't flex as much. So that's the old. And we're going to install the new. right. So
Please talk louder.
now that it's installed, we will have to torque it. And the bottom part will be torqued at 130 foot-pounds. And the top will be at 76 foot-pounds. So here we go. Let's torque. Alright, so the install is complete for the vertical links on Pony's 19... I'm sorry. I'm not sorry.
That's going in.
Okay, so the install is complete for the vertical links on Pony's 2016 Mustang GT, which he also calls Project Stepchild. So the install was really easy, just 2 bolts, and it's really going to help with the suspension of this car. Install is complete on the passenger side. So now we're going to move to the driver's side. Very simple install, so we won't need to show that. If you like this S550 content, please comment below and let me know. We can add it to the channel. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And we'll see you soon.